Okay, hello dear friends. This one is a trigonometric problem, and it's about sine, the law of sine or law of cosine. One friend asked, when do I use law of sine? When do I use law of cosine? And sometimes it's kind of confusing. So as a basic rule, you do not need to remember with SSS, SAS, SSA, SAS, whichever side or angle you use as a base. No, you use logic. You put the given and draw the triangle. It is very important to draw it out and visually see the problem. And when you see the problem, seeing is believing. When you see the problem, maybe the problem is halfway solved. And the first triangle is question number 1 is 90-degree. It's a straight triangle. We will not need to work on that. I assume that we all know that. Okay, we start from question number 3. I copy the problem. Question number 3. A equal 2, B equal 3, C equal, oh, sorry, I zoomed too big, C equal 4. So we have 3 sides given. Okay, to begin with, we will need to draw the picture. We have one side is 2, and this is A equal to 2, and another side is 3. B equal to 3, and the last side, this should be longer. I am not so good at the proportion. C equal to 4. When you see this A, B, C, and you think about your a formula for law of sine. Law of sine is A. Let me write down. This will be the angle A goes with side A, and B. Angle B goes against side B. Angle C goes against side C. Right? A, B, C. So the law of sine is A in proportion of sine A equal to B over sine B equal C sine C. Okay, let's see. We have A, we have B, we have C, but we are missing angle. If we use this question, and this is one equation, right? This is the extension of it. We only need one equation. We can help us to solve the problem. Let's see. We know A, we know B, but sine A is unknown, sine B is unknown, because the angle A is unknown, the angle B is unknown. So there are 2 unknown in this problem, and for C it's the same thing. The 3 sides, it's just randomly put on it arbitrarily. So we do not have enough condition, enough known given condition to solve this problem. Okay, this is the law of sine. Now let's take a look of the law of cosine. What is law of cosine? A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2 BC sine A. Let me take a look. I was thinking I law of cosine, law of cosine, law of cosine, find an image. Yes, yes. No, cosine, cosine, because it's cosine, right? Oh, it's actually, when you see this, it's all very symmetrically arranged. So B equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B, and C squared equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. Okay, so how about we solve this problem with the law of cosine? We know A is given, A is given, B is given, C is given, and BC, we only have one unknown variable, so we can solve this problem. We have everything here. It just needs some calculation. Computer calculator will help us to do it. So in this case, we can solve this problem through law of cosine, because we have enough given, enough known information, and we need to find one unknown information with sufficient known information. We can solve this problem. So for three sides, law of sine does not work. Law of cosine will work. Okay, now we take a look at another one. I will not go into detail to solve it. Let's do just a little bit of it. Okay, so let's figure out what is the angle of C. So 2 square equal to 3 square plus 4 square minus 2 times 3 times 4 cosine A, right? So 4 equal 9 plus 16 minus 24 cosine A. And put them together. This is 425 and 24 cosine A. This move to this side, equal to 21. So cosine A equal to 21 over 24, which is 7/8. So the angle A, cosine inverse of 7/8, you get a number. You get a number, and that number is either a degree or radian of A. When you find A, you can use the same method to find B, because A, B, C, they are just arbitrarily, and they are in theoretically they are equal, right? Not in the length equal, but in the content, in the core thing, subject is equal. So you can figure out B, you can equally figure out C, and you can solve this triangle. Okay, I try to make it short. Let me see if I will do another one. I will do it in another sheet, okay? So I will title this video as the use of law of cosine. Thank you.